Good morning and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Coatney. I'm Terry Coatney. I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker. We have offices in Vienna, West Virginia, and also in Marietta, Ohio. Typically, as a realtor, I'm talking to you about things you need to do to help you sell your house and how you can go about that. Today, I'm going to talk to those people who are not selling their house. If you're not selling your house, you should be doing something. And what is that? Well, you should be investing in your house. Think of it this way. If you had a savings account and you were making 2% on that savings account, and across the street there was a bank that was offering 10% in interest on your savings account, what would you do? Obviously, you would move your money. So here's some things to do, 5 things that you should be doing if you own your home, you want to invest in your home and make that investment grow. Here's 5 things to think about. Keep it painted. Second thing is if you've got old, outdated appliances, update them with high efficiency appliances. First of all, it's going to save you money, and it's going to add to the appeal of your house. So if you got an avocado colored refrigerator, it's time to get that thing moved and get maybe a new stainless steel package of appliances. Third thing you want to think about is, can you add some updates that would benefit the house, like kitchen and bath? Those are the 2 things that if you update and modernize, are going to increase the value of your house. And last, what about square footage? The basement, do you have a basement there that's unfinished? Then go ahead and finish that basement, add that square footage. Again, it's raising the value of your house. And don't forget about the outside. Keep it painted, keep the curb appeal looking good. So those are all things you can do to make the house that you're not selling right now, make that investment grow. If you have any questions or you'd like to talk to me any more about that, just contact me and I'll give you some more ideas. Hope everybody's having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.